All aboard! That's right, folks, we're leaving Union Station on the Dennis Lines Railroad because not only is the gentleman the owner, engineer, and conductor of these trains, he's also a Catholic priest who just happens to spend his time away from his parish duties living in his very own caboose. That's right, a real caboose. A caboose that could use a slight facelift. The Father Carroll White Council plans to take this to this. Now you're saying we have to be out of our minds. Yeah, we probably are, but it's a badge we wear proudly. And we want you to join us on this Are You Out of Your Mind crazy train ride. So grab your ticket and click the like button. No time to waste because the train is about to depart. So follow us on our Facebook page for updates and behind-the-scene postcards on how the trip is progressing. And if you remember, throw a prayer or two our way. We'll pick them up at the next station.